Very sorry for yesterday. I had gone to see off someone at the airport, and it took a long time from my house to come back from there to till my house. So very sorry for that. So let's start today's session. Let's join our hands, close our eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. Take one more deep breath. Bring yourself to the present moment. Take one more deep breath and say thank you for the magical air that you're breathing. Feel that air and say thank you. Thank you, universe, for this divine time. Thank you, universe, for the beautiful nature. Thank you, universe, for this lovely evening where we have come together to know the real magic in life and to understand what gratitude is. Thank you, universe, for bringing abundance in our life. Through gratitude, we are learning how to live a joyful life and to know the real meaning of abundance. Thank you for all the happiness that is flowing into our lives. Thank you for all the participants who have come here, who are especially giving their time here to know what really gratitude is and bring them into their lives. Thank you for making me a channel of blessings so that I enlighten other people's life and they enlighten further. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Can open your eyes. These are on the cameras, so I know to whom I'm talking to. I also feel nice then. And there is lots of energy when we keep our cameras open and be interactive. So keep your cameras open. Yes, so the new participants who don't know me, I would just like to introduce myself. I'm Maria Gudrawala and I am a retired principal and the author of the book, Reengineering Stress Management for Teachers. And I run YouTube channels also for teachers and for this book. And now I have come into this gratitude journey and I am passing it on to others. Enlightening other people's life, and I expect that you all also enlighten other people's life and help them to come into this gratitude practices. So keep smiling. Yesterday we learned about the universal law. That was the day before. We learned about universal law. Universal law, ये law जो है वो ना आपने बनाया ना मैंने बनाया ना कोई साइंटिस्ट ने बनाया है. इट्स द लॉ ऑफ गॉड. इट्स द लॉ ऑफ यूनिवर्स जिसको हम बदल नहीं सकते हैं. इवन इफ आई वांट टू आई कैन नॉट. वी ऑल्सो अंडरस्टूड दैट देयर इज एनर्जी. वी ऑल आर एनर्जी. आप एनर्जी हो, मैं एनर्जी हूँ. कभी आपने अगर कोई भी चीज को माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर में देखा है तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि देयर इज एनर्जी. there is atoms, molecules inside, okay, which form this structure. And हमको ये जो बॉडी मिली है ना, हमको ये जो बॉडी मिली है, that is just a tool. That is just a tool for the soul journey. ये बॉडी से हम अपने अंदर की तरफ जाना सीखते हैं. Because we interact with other people, we have relations with other people, we know other people. So the golden thread of gratitude, we have come today here. So yesterday we had read here ki, and the more sincerely and the more deeply grateful you feel, the more you will receive. तो आप जितना gratitude में रहोगे उतना ज्यादा आपको दिया जाएगा. क्या दिया जाएगा? पैसा, abundance, good health, good relationships, करियर, जॉब, जो भी आपको चाहिए वो आपको मिलेगा जब आप ग्रैटिट्यूड में रहते हो. So today's chapter is Golden Thread of Gratitude. It's not a chapter, it's basically continuation of yesterday, day before yesterday. Golden thread हम किसको बोलते हैं? That is gratitude. So dating back thousands and thousands of years to the earliest recordings of humankind, the power of gratitude was preached and practiced, and from there was passed on through the centuries, sweeping across the continents, permeating one civilization and culture to the next. The major religions of Christianity, Islam, Judaism, Buddhism, Sikhism, and Hinduism all have gratitude at the core. See, today we all are from different religions sitting in this session. Okay, but basically we are one, we are human beings, right? And these are all the different religions, and all the religions at core यही समझाते हैं, शुक्र में रहो, be grateful, be grateful, be grateful. Okay, Muhammad said that gratitude for the abundance you have received is the best insurance that the abundance will continue. So in Islam also Muhammad is saying कि अगर आपने gratitude जितना आप करोगे, ओके, जो अभी की चीजों आपके पास है, आपके पास आज गुड हेल्थ है, चलो ओपन योर आईज एंड सी, यू हैव गुड आईज, you are able to see, you have good hands and legs, they are working, your heart is good, your legs are good, you are able to walk. Yes, so he is saying कि अगर आपके पास जो अभी है उसको अगर आप थैंक यू देते हो तो वो आपका बेस्ट इंश्योरेंस होता है कि यू विल हैव गुड हेल्थ, you will be in good health, you will have good abundance, you will have lots of money. अगर आपके पास पैसा है, अगर आप उसको थैंक यू बोलते हो तो आपके पास ज्यादा पैसा आएगा. अगर आपके पास हेल्थ है, अगर आप उसको थैंक यू बोलते हो तो आपके पास अच्छी हेल्थ आएगी. लेट इट बी एनी हेल्थ, मेंटल हेल्थ, फिजिकल हेल्थ, इमोशनल हेल्थ, एनी हेल्थ. Buddha said that you have no cause for anything but gratitude and joy. Even Buddha is saying कि आपको कोई रीजन है ही नहीं और किसी चीज के लिए, यू जस्ट हैव टू बी इन ग्रेटिट्यूड एंड इन जॉय. तो जब आप खुश रहना चालू कर देते हो कि यार मेरे पास आज पैसे है एक गिलास पानी पीने के लिए, एक गिलास जूस पीने के लिए, एक 1 लीटर मिल्क लाने के लिए, आई हैव मनी टू बाय ग्रोसरी, आई हैव मनी टू बाय वेजिटेबल्स, आई हैव मनी टू बाय क्लोथ्स. सो वेन एवर यू गेट एनी न्यू ड्रेस, जब भी आप उस ड्रेस को देखो उसको भर भर के थैंक यू बोलो कि वाओ यार आई हैड मनी. आपने नया पर्स खरीदा, थैंक यू, thank you for that lovely purse. Just don't buy and come and just show it off to your friends and husband and children कि मैंने नया पर्स खरीदा और फिर you are flaunting it. Be very thankful for that. And every time you take that purse in your hand, thank you, because of you I'm able to keep so many things in my purse. Because of you I'm able to do so many things with that. I'm able to carry my lunchbox in that. I'm able to carry my laptop in that. Whatever it is, whatever size purse you have got. So anything, whatever you have, आप करंटली उसके लिए अगर थैंक यू हो जाते हो, आप देखोगे आगे आपको मिल रहा और ज्यादा और ज्यादा. यू विल सी, यू विल स्टार्ट अट्रैक्टिंग मोर ऑफ पर्सेस. if you buy a pair of slippers or shoes and if you just say I'm very thankful for it, I'm thank you to Lakshmi or for the money that I had to buy this, you will see you will start getting money to buy more things. So Lao Tzu also said that if you rejoice in the way things are, the whole world will belong to you. यानी जैसे आज परिस्थिति आप, जो भी आपकी परिस्थिति अभी है, आप उसमें जैसे भी हो, ओके, आप जिस तरीके से भी हो, जैसे भी हो, आज आपकी परिस्थिति, भले आज आपके पास 100 रुपीज तो है in your purse, tomorrow's grocery you can buy. So be thankful, rejoice in the way the things are. अभी currently आपके पास अगर जॉब नहीं भी है या ऐसा जॉब है जिसमें आप खुश नहीं हो, still be happy in that, because that will attract more good opportunities for you. That will take you to the promotion level because you're being thankful for the current job. So Krishna said that whatever he is offered, he accept with joy. तो जो भी उसको मिलता है, he accept with joy. ठीक है यार, भगवान तेरी यही मर्जी है, thank you. So King David spoke of giving thanks to the whole world for everything between the heavens and the earth. And Jesus said thank you before he performed each miracle. यानी जो भी उन्होंने किया पहले से ही थैंक यू बोल देते थे, पहले से हर चीज के लिए थैंक यू लगा देते थे. सो सिर्फ थैंक यू बोलना नहीं है. देखो हम इसमें जो जर्नी में सीख रहे हैं, इट्स नॉट अबाउट जस्ट सेइंग थैंक यू. वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग, ओके, we are human beings. So what does being mean? We have forgotten that we are beings, means we are continuously. Being means what? Ing, present tense, right? So we are continuously, we are moving, we are growing, we are improving day by day. That is called being. So from the Australian Aborigines to the African Maasai, Zulu, and the American Navajo, Shawnee, and Cherokee to the Tahitians, Eskimo, and Maori, the practice of gratitude is at the very root of the most indigenous traditions. Okay, beforehand, only people from these communities also are saying thank you beforehand. So when you arise in the morning, give thanks for the morning light and for your life and strength. Give thanks for your food and the joy of living. If you see no reason for giving thanks, the fault lies with yourself. Tecumseh, Shawnee Native American leader, he's saying कि अगर आप सुबह में उठते बराबर, अगर आज जिंदा हो, तो सबसे पहले उसके लिए शुक्रिया करो. If you are not saying thank you that you are alive today, there are some people who die in the bed at night only. You never know. They never see another day. There are people who die in earthquakes at night happen. They never see the morning. So that is what they say. When you rise in the morning, give thanks for the morning light. Thank you, Bhagwan, मैं जिंदा हूँ. Thank God alive. मेरे हाथ पैर चल रहे हैं. मैं उठ पा रहा हूँ. आपकी सांस चल रही है. That is the important thing you have. और हम बोलते पैसा नहीं है, पैसा नहीं है. अरे सबसे बड़ी नियामत आपका पैसा है. क्या That is more important. If you have the world का money, you are a millionaire. But if you don't have good health, उसका कुछ उपयोग ही नहीं होगा. So give thanks for the food and the joy of living. If you see, यानी आपको खाना मिल रहा है, उसके लिए थैंक यू बोलो. आज आप उठे, आपके पास खाना था, नहीं था, आपके पास ब्रश था, आपके पास टूथपेस्ट था, आपके पास वॉशरूम था, आपके पास गीजर है, तो उसके लिए थैंक यू बोलो. किसी के पास वो भी नहीं है. ओके, तो बी थैंकफुल ऑफ दैट.
आपकी वॉइस इंटरप्ट हो रहा है. आई थिंक समवन हैज देयर माइक ऑन, सो देयर इज अ डिस्टर्बेंस इन योर वॉइस. इट्स नॉट क्लियर.
ओके, सो कैन एवरीवन प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ. Please mute yourself. Everyone from your side. Raiden, I think, who is this Raiden? Yes, please mute yourself. Yes, but please keep your cameras on. And I think there is some problem from my side also, because my audio quality somewhere, something is happening. It is showing some messages also.
No, it's fine.
Now it's fine?
Yeah, it was someone's interference.
Okay. So thank you for that, Priyaji. History is laden with famous figures who practice gratitude and whose achievements put them amongst the greatest human beings who ever lived. Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Martin Luther King Jr., Dalai Lama, Leonardo da Vinci, Plato, Shakespeare, Yusuf Blake, Emerson, Dickens, Proust, Descartes, Lincoln, Jung, all these people also said, these are the famous figures. हम तो कुछ भी नहीं है, but these also practice gratitudes. इन्होंने सबने कुछ ना कुछ achieve किया है. Okay, they are inventors. They have done some great things, but they were always thankful. So Albert Einstein's scientific discoveries changed the way we see universe. And when we asked about the monumental achievements, he spoke only of giving thanks to others. One of the most brilliant minds of all the time thanked other people over 100 times a day for the work. Means she's saying कि Albert Einstein जो भी अपनी scientific discoveries करते थे, वो before that he used to thank those people जिन्होंने उनके पहले कोई invention किया है. And he felt thankful कि at least you people could invent this, कि further it helped me to invent further things. Is it a wonder that so many life's mysteries were revealed to Albert Einstein? उन्होंने बहुत सारी डिस्कवरीज की है एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन ने. Is it wonder that Albert Einstein made some of the greatest scientific discoveries in history? He practiced gratitude every single day of his life, and in return he received many forms of abundance. एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन उनकी इसमें हिस्ट्री में बोलते हैं कि मैं हमेशा हर चीज को थैंक यू बोलता था. बिफोर आई स्टार्टेड एनी डिस्कवरी, आई यूज्ड टू से थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग. And whatever he received, he said thank you for that. Even Isaac Newton, well, when he was asked how did he achieve so many scientific discoveries, उन्होंने बोला कि he said that he stood on the shoulders of the giants He said thank you to all the people who had done the discoveries before. Isaac Newton recently voted the greatest contributor to science and humankind, was also grateful to those men and women who lived before him. यानी जिन्होंने उनके पहले great discoveries की थी, he was very thankful to them. आप बताओ, आपने कभी थैंक यू बोला है क्या पहले? कोई भी चीज स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपने थैंक यू बोला है क्या? कोई भी काम करने से पहले आपने थैंक यू बोला है? या किसी को पहले, किसी ने आपका काम किया भी नहीं पर आपने उसको पहले से थैंक यू बोल दिया, ऐसे किया है क्या कभी आपने? Tell me, please unmute yourself. This has to be an interactive session. I don't want you all to listen. आपने कभी पहले से थैंक यू बोला है क्या? कोई नहीं?
I have told ma'am, whenever any works I wanted to done by anyone, if they agree to do that before completing only, I said thank you, and later they done it, I said thank you for it.
Great.
Same here, ma'am. I think when we want somebody to finish our work, it's our culture in our company. Like we will tell thank you in advance so that, dear, please complete it before time.
We have to be very
Yes.
thankful beforehand only. जब हम पहले से
Ma'am, I
thank you.
thank for the work.
Yes.
No, I feel like I usually thank when a job is assigned to me, ma'am. Usually एक project assign करेंगे तो यहाँ बोलेंगे कि oh, I'm already busy, you are giving me one more work kind of attitude रहता है. But I feel very grateful because they trusted me and they're giving me work, right?
Yes.
So it is
correct.
like, I'm very thankful, and the manager always says, so that is one attitude. Even when something is assigned, I'm very happy for it.
वेरी नाइस. यही होना चाहिए, हमको थैंक यू पहले से बोलना चाहिए. हमको ये नहीं पता है कि अगर हमने उस प्रोजेक्ट को पहले से मना कर दिया या नहीं कर दिया, हमने कितनी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी गवा दी. हो सकता है उसमें कोई ऐसी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी हमको मिल जाए, टू फॉर आवर ग्रोथ. सो ही सेइंग कि द साइंटिस्ट, फिलोसफर्स, ये जो सब थे ना, सब थैंक यू बोलते थे. ओके, सब थैंक यू बोलते थे बिफोर एंड नाउ शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हर डिस्कवरी कि उन्होंने, माई स्टोरी इज अ परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल. दैट इज वाई मैं ये बुक को इतना प्रोपोगेट क्यों करती हूँ, बिकॉज दिस इज अ रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस वेयर शी हैज gone through and then she has shared and make this book easier for us. My story is a perfect example of what life is like when a person is ignorant of gratitude. ये उस टाइम की बात है जब उनको ग्रैटिट्यूड के बारे में पता नहीं था. उनको ये नहीं समझता था कि थैंक यू किस चीज के लिए बोले. थैंक यू तो हम रेगुलरली, कोई किसी ने काम किया, जैसे अभी हम लोग गए थे बाहर फ्रेंड्स के साथ में, तो हमने थैंक यू बोला निकलने से पहले, राइट? तो ऐसे हम कोई भी चीज के लिए थैंक यू बोलते हैं, but the real meaning of gratitude we didn't knew. So she's talking about the same thing, that when she had written this book, she's talking about that time, when this book was published. 6 years ago, she was, if you would have asked her, she was not a grateful person. Yes, for sure, I'm grateful person, but she's saying that I say thank you when I receive a gift, when someone opens a door for me, or when a person does something for me. So I always said thank you. But the truth is that I was not grateful person. यानी दिल से वो feeling नहीं आती थी. Just thank you बोल देते थे हम, right? हम thank you बोल देते थे. तो अभी 1 minute, Priya ma'am is entering again. Okay. So my life without gratitude was pretty challenging. She said I was in debt and it was increasing a little bit more every month. और हर महीने उनका वो कर्जे में जा रहे थे. She really worked hard to improve her finances, but what happened? Her debt was increasing. And she was having कर्जे पे कर्जा. Her relationships were swung like a pendulum from fair to disastrous because I seem to be not have enough person. देखो ये स्टोरी जानना क्यों जरूरी है, क्योंकि उनका ये लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस है. While I was what would be termed healthy, I felt exhausted at the end of each day. मुझे ऐसे लगता था मैं बहुत healthy हूँ, वो बोल रही है. But at the end of the day, she felt very exhausted and always got my fair share of colds and the latest illnesses going on around each season. कितनी बार हम बोलते हैं ना हम बहुत healthy है, nothing has happened to me, but inside you are still tired, fatigued. Okay, so I had moments of happiness when I went out with friends or when I went on vacation, but then the reality of having to work harder to pay for those pleasures would sweep over me. यानी वो बोल रहे हैं कि मैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ चली जाती थी, वेकेशन पे भी चली जाती थी, बट फिर बाद में रियलाइज होता था, अरे बाप रे, अभी ये पैसे चले गए, नाउ आई हैव टू अगेन वर्क हार्ड टू गेट मोर मनी. ओके, सो लाइफ वाज नॉट इजी फॉर हर. I wasn't living, I was just surviving, she's saying. From day to day and from paycheck to paycheck, and I would no sooner solve one life problem than more problems would appear. But then something happened, and that would change everything in my life from that day forward. I discovered a secret about life, and as a result of my discovery, one of the things I began to do was practice gratitude each day. या क्या हुआ था, उनकी बेटी ने उनको एक बुक लाके दी थी. That was The Science of Getting Rich, which I just finished last week. That book was given by her daughter to her, and she said, just read it. And from that, she understood gratitude and she started practicing whatever was given in that. So as a result, everything in my life changed. And the more I practiced gratitude, the more miraculous were the results. My life truly became magical. For the first time in my life, I became debt free, and shortly after that, I had all the money I needed to do whatever I wanted. जब उनके पास इतना बड़ा कर्जा था, but she just started saying thank you for everything, and she received her money and she paid her debts, and she was clear of that. I needed to do whatever I wanted. She had all the money after that. Problems in my relationships, work, and health disappeared. And instead of facing daily obstacles, my days became filled with one good thing after another. और अच्छी से अच्छी चीजें होती गई उनकी लाइफ में जब उन्होंने ग्रैटिट्यूड को अपनी लाइफ में लेके आए. My health and energy increased dramatically, and I felt better than I had in 20s. देखो क्या फायदा आपके पास पैसा आ जाए, आपके पास सब आ जाए, बट आपके पास हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं हो, राइट? आपके पास हेल्थ अच्छी हो, आपके पास पैसा अच्छा हो, बट आपके रिलेशनशिप अच्छे नहीं हो, then you're not balanced in life. And there is where gratitude works. My relationships became much more meaningful, and I enjoyed very good times with my family, friends in just few months. And I had in all the previous years. And more than anything else, I felt happier. तो सबसे बड़ी चीज उनको क्या मिली? Happiness. और हम happiness को बाहर ढूंढते हैं, right? She said, when I came into the practice, जब मैंने शुक्र करना शुरू कर दिया, मैं और हैप्पियर होनी चली गई. मेरे डेट फ्री हो, मेरा कर्जा उतर गया, मेरे रिलेशनशिप अच्छे हो गए, मेरी हेल्थ अच्छी हो गई, सब अच्छा हो गया. सो आई वॉज ब्लिसफुली हैप्पी, the happiest I had ever been in my life, she's saying, and gratitude changed me, and my whole life magically changed. Now she's saying, bring the magic into your life. This was her story. वो अपनी स्टोरी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं कि उन्होंने ये जर्नी में कैसे आए. Okay, can you see this? The chapter, bring the magic into your life. Look at this picture. What the picture is saying. No matter who you are, no matter where you are, no matter what your current circumstances, the magic of gratitude will change the entire life. Write down this sentence. It's a very important. No matter who you are. आप बड़े प्रोफेशनल हो, आप अनएडुकेटेड हो, आप पढ़े लिखे नहीं हो, आप साधारण सी हाउसवाइफ हो, जो भी हो, आप अमीर हो, आप गरीब हो, no matter who you are, no matter where you are, no matter what your current circumstances, the magic of gratitude will change your entire life. आप जहां पे भी हो, but अगर आप इस चीज को अगर अपना लेते हो, it will change your life. She says that she has received letters, from thousands of people who say in the worst imaginable situations who have changed their lives, diabetes, cancer, operations, cesareans, like whatever surgeries were, unki hui nahi because they went into gratitude. So who have changed their lives completely by practicing gratitude. She always says practicing gratitude. वो ये नहीं बोलती कि सिर्फ thank you बोलो. She's saying practicing gratitude. I have seen miracles take place in my health where there seem to be no hope, and I have seen marriages saved. आपकी मैरिज में अगर कोई इश्यू चल रहे हैं, अगर आपका रिलेशनशिप अच्छा नहीं है, if you have some broken relationships, it can transform into magnificent relationship, being thankful. I have seen those in the total poverty become prosperous and I have seen people in depression catapult into joyful and living lives. यानी जो people depression में थे, psychological problems, addictions, there are people who have overcome. Go on the website of Secret Book, www.secrettv.com, and check the stories there. You will find so many stories to add into, कि आप देखोगे कि इतने सारे लोगों ने क्या अचीव किया ग्रैटिट्यूड में आके. Gratitude can magically turn your relationships into joyful and meaningful relationships. Who will tell me one thing today कि why relationships are important? चलो बोलो मिरर वर्क सेशन वाले तो बोल सकते हो. हमने किया.
Man, without anybody, there won't be anything. You can have money, you can have everything, but there won't be joy. You need someone to share your joy to with.
Okay, very good, great. What else? Why are relationships, मैंने ये बोला भी था आपको, why are relationships important in our life? फिर वो मम्मी हो, पापा हो, सास हो, ससुरे हो, फादर हो, मदर हो, बच्चे हो, हस्बैंड हो, वाइफ हो, whoever it is, why relationships are important? Who will tell me? क्यों लगता है आपको कि relationships are very important? अरे we grow through relationships only. नहीं तो हमारी ग्रोथ ही नहीं होगी. They are people who come into your life. I had told you this in the mirror session also, that the people who come into our life are there to teach us few lessons. हम पेरेंट्स भी खुद चूज करते हैं हमारे. And the relationships which come into your life, भले वो छोटे टाइम के लिए भी क्यों ना, छोड़ दो हस्बैंड वाइफ, वो भी आपके टीचर्स, जिनके साथ में बहुत अच्छा रिलेशनशिप हो जाता है. होता है ना, कोई कोई टीचर के साथ में मेरा बहुत अच्छा रिलेशनशिप हो गया, राइट? या फिर ऑफिस में कोई ऐसा कलीग आ गया जिसके साथ में मेरा बहुत अच्छा बनता है. क्यों बनता है आपको? क्यों बनता है आपको? बिकॉज यू आर गेटिंग समथिंग फ्रॉम दैट रिलेशनशिप. It is fulfilling one of your needs. It is fulfilling one of my needs. If I am, I am very comfortable with Akshata ma'am, that means कुछ तो भी है अक्षता मैम में जो मेरी नीड को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. That is why relationships are very important. मिरर वर्क में हमने सीखा था कि हमारे रिलेशनशिप्स मिरर करते हैं हमको, राइट? So whatever you are seeing in the front, it is already there inside you. So how will you learn the lessons, right? So gratitude can magically turn your relationship into joyful and meaningful relationships, no matter what state they are in now. And gratitude can miraculously make you more prosperous so that you have the money you need to do the things you want. किसको किसको पैसा चाहिए? सच्चे दिल से बोलो, पैसा चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए? मुझे तो चाहिए. मैं तो डिक्लेयर करती हूं कि मुझे पैसा चाहिए. कोई बोलेगा कि मुझे पैसा नहीं चाहिए? मुझे तो चाहिए पैसा. पैसा तो सबको चाहिए, राइट? Money is one part of our life which makes our life easier, right? So we need money. We need money. मैंने क्या बोला कि अगर मैं भिखारी को बुलाऊं और मैं ये क्लास में बिठाऊं, डू यू थिंक इट विल अफेक्ट हिम? उसको इंटरेस्ट आएगा क्या मैजिक बुक करने में, मिरर बुक करने में? नहीं आएगा. उसको क्या चाहिए? उसको सिर्फ अपने दो टाइम की रोटी चाहिए. उसको उतना भीख मांग के पैसा मिलना चाहिए, राइट? बट इज ही ग्रोइंग? नो. So gratitude can miraculously make you more prosperous so that you have the money you need to do the things you want to do. अपने आप को फ्री छोड़ के डिक्लेयर करो, यूनिवर्स आई वॉन्ट मनी एंड आई हैव अ बिलीव दैट यू विल गिव इट टू मी. जब तक आप ऐसा बोलोगे नहीं ना, आप यूनिवर्स को ऑर्डर ही नहीं दे रहे हो. जब आप ऑर्डर करते हो यूनिवर्स को कि आई नीड मनी, आई वॉन्ट मनी एंड आई नो यू विल गिव इट टू मी, then it happens. बट अगर आप उसको बोलोगे ना, ठीक है तुझे जितना देना दे, तुझे नहीं देना मत दे, फिर वो भी उतना ही देगा ना जितना उसको देना है. बट अगर आप बोलोगे कि मुझे महीने का 1 लाख कमाना है, मुझे महीने का 1 लाख तो चाहिए, क्योंकि ये मेरी नीड्स है, ये मेरे बेसिक नीड्स को फुलफिल करता है, then you will definitely get. Then you'll definitely, but you have to tell the universe what you need. Yeah, that's it. So she's saying, so that you have the money you need to do the things you want to do. आपको यूनिवर्स को बोलना है, आप मुझे पैसे दोगे तो मुझे ये करना है, मुझे शॉपिंग पे जाना है, मुझे मेरे बच्चों की फीस भरनी है. Right? So it will increase your health and bring a level of happiness beyond what you have ever felt. ग्रैटिट्यूड एक एक चीज के लिए काम नहीं करता है. ग्रैटिट्यूड वर्क्स ऑन योर होल बीइंग. अंडरस्टैंड, वी आर एनर्जी, वी आर एनर्जी, मनी इज एनर्जी, यू आर एनर्जी, दिस लैपटॉप इज एनर्जी, दिस बुक्स आर एनर्जी, एवरीथिंग इज एनर्जी. नहीं विश्वास होता है, ये करके देख लो. तो हमारा जो माइंड है, माइंड, ओके, हाउ डू वी वर्क विथ अ माइंड एंड अ हार्ट. यस अक्षता मैम.
Ma'am, if I want anything, so how many times I have to go with the gratitude this thing for the universe, ma'am?
It will come in the chapters. It will come in the
No,
chapters.
actually I have tried, but sometime it will affect immediately. Sometime it never happens. So,
Why it never happens? Because divine timings.
okay.
Divine has its own timings. When when it knows that this is the right time you need and you are ready for it, then he will give it to you. Only when the right time comes. There are dreams जो मेरे अभी 4 साल के बाद पूरे हो रहे हैं, अभी पूरे हो रहे हैं. Okay. Even when you will come in this book, you'll understand when she speaks about her last dream getting fulfilled after 7 years. So it is not
No,
that. Yes.
that gratitude we have to keep on telling, or we can tell and we can leave it, so that with same gratitude,
We have
same
to write it. We have to write it. We will come for
repeatedly
the
we have to
chapter.
write.
Yes, if you'll understand that. That is what I said. Now I'll make you all write so that you understand the how the format of how to write. See, gratitude can, she's saying, miraculously change your health. अच्छी हो जाएगी, आपका काम, accelerate your career, increase success, bring about your dream job and whatever it is you want to do. जो भी आप करना चाहते हो. बट अगर आप बिलीव करते हो कि मैजिक होता है तो होता है. इनफैक्ट वट एवर इट इज दैट यू वॉन्ट टू बी, डू और हैव, gratitude is the way to receive it. See, be, do and have. आपको क्या बनना है? Okay, we are being, remember, we are beings, human beings. Okay, we are growing, we are creating every day. Do, हम जो करते हैं, हम जो हमारा कर्म करते हैं, कार्य करते हैं, वर्क करते हैं, उससे हम ग्रो होते हैं. एंड हैव, उससे हमको जो भी चीज चाहिए वो मिलती है. सो ग्रैटिट्यूड इज द वे टू रिसीव इट. The magical power of gratitude turns your life into gold. As you practice gratitude, you will understand why. See, everywhere she's saying practice gratitude. She's not saying कि say gratitude. Say gratitude तो हम करते ही है ना, रोज थैंक यू बोलते ही है, right? So as you practice gratitude, you will understand why particular things in your life may have gone wrong. आज अपने आंखें बंद करो और आपका एक एरिया ऐसे ध्यान करो. सपोज अगर आपके पास पैसे का लैक है, आपको हमेशा स्ट्रगल रहती है, यार मैं कैसे मैनेज करूंगी ये पूरा महीना, या फिर आपकी हेल्थ में कोई इश्यू आ रहा है. ओके, आपकी हेल्थ में कोई इश्यू आ रहा है, या आपका जॉब बार बार जॉब में कोई इश्यूज आ रहे हैं. Today, just close your eyes for 2 minutes and understand. You will understand why particular things in your life may have gone wrong and why certain things might be missing from your life. Just recall and write it down. आपका कौन सा एरिया वर्क नहीं कर रहा है currently? It could be money, it could be health, it could be career, it could be relationship also. कि हाँ, मेरा घर में मेरे हस्बैंड, मेरे वाइफ, मेरे बच्चों के साथ में मेरा रिलेशनशिप अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है. So you could be having, so write it that down. So you understand कि today at this date this is the area which is you're not able to work upon. और आपको फिर समझ में आएगा कि वहां पे क्या इश्यू हुआ है. As you make gratitude a way, write it down please. As you make gratitude a way of life, you will wake up each morning so excited to be alive कि आप सुबह में उठते बराबर बोलोगे गुड मॉर्निंग इंडिया, जैसे बोलती है ना वो मूवी में, विद्या बालन वैसे बोलोगे, she's saying that as you wake up each morning so excited to be alive, you will find yourself completely in love with life. अपने आप को प्यार, अपनी लाइफ को प्यार करने लग जाओगे जब आप ग्रेटिट्यूड में रहोगे. Nothing will make you feel so, worthy other than yourself and your happiness. Everything will seem effortless. You will feel as light as feather and happier than you have ever felt before. While challenges may come, you will know how to overcome them and learn from them. Challenges आएंगे, but this book is teaching you how to live your life completely in a full balanced way. नहीं तो क्या होता है कि अगर हमारा एरिया मनी का बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, I am earning super intelligent, I am intelligent, I am having very good job, but my relationships, zero level. I am not able to cope up. Okay. I have money, I have good health, but no relationships. I have relationships, I have health, but I don't have a job. So there will be one area which always, so if you, this book will teach you how to have a balance of everything. So while challenges may come, she's saying you will know how to overcome them and learn from them. Every day will be magical, every day will be filled with more magic when like how you were when you were a child. जब बच्चे होते हैं ना, देखो आज अश्विनी मैम के साथ में उनका बेटा बैठा है ना, उनको पूछो लाइफ कैसी है, इज ही हैविंग एनी टेंशन? पूछो पूछो उसको, कोई तो भी पूछो. चलो अक्षता मैम पूछ लो, आपको तो जानता है वो. पूछो उसको. जस्ट
Hi,
आस्क.
President. Hi.
Hi.
Do you have any tension in your life now?
No.
No.
You are
Do you know
enjoying life?
what do you mean by tension?
Hmm.
उसको पता ही नहीं है. He does not know what is tension. Tension is only with us. So you are enjoying your life, beta?
Yes.
You are enjoying your vacations?
Yes.
Wow, see? Vacations में भी अच्छे बच्चे enjoy करते हैं अपनी अपनी life को without having tension, right? So when you start, see, why they are tension free? Because they know that their parents are there, right? They know that their mother is there. They know that their father is there for them. हमारा मदर फादर कौन है? हम किसको हमारा मदर फादर मानते हैं? गॉड, यूनिवर्स, राइट? तो अगर हम देखो, दे ट्रस्ट अस, सो दैट इज देयर लीस्ट वरीड. उनको पता है कुछ भी हो जाएगा तो मम्मी पापा है खर्चा उठाने के लिए. उनको पता है हमको कुछ हो गया तो मम्मी पापा है हमारी हेल्थ को देखने के लिए. व्हाई डोंट वी बिकम दैट वे? Why don't we become that way? Why don't we become that way कि yes, universe is there यार, मुझे मैं बीमार भी पड़ी तो भगवान है मेरे लिए, ऊपर वाला है, खुदा है, अल्लाह है. mean he is going to take care of me whatever form you pray in whatever religion. but जो believe होता है ना कि yes, because they are tense, not tense because they know कि हाँ यार मेरे मम्मी पापा है, वो सब मैनेज कर लेंगे, तो आई एम फ्री टेंशन, आई एम एंजॉइंग माई लाइफ. तो जब आप अभी ऐसा करना शुरू कर दोगे ना कि यार मेरे पास घर है, मेरे पास सोफा है, मेरे पास बेड है, मेरे पास वॉशरूम है, मेरे पास एवरीथिंग इज देयर, you will see the difference in your life because you become thankful and you are trusting the universe कि yes, कुछ भी होगा तो universe is there. He will not leave me alone. He will not leave me alone. That way you have to have that belief. So here she's saying, is your life magical now? You can tell right now how much you actually use gratitude in your life. Just take a look at all the major areas in your life. Chalo likh lo: money, health, happiness, career, home and relationships. These are the areas. अब आपको हर एरिया में ये देखना है कि whether these areas are working good. So write down money and उसके नीचे एक सेंटेंस में लिख दो कि yes, I have enough money and by this area is very good. अगर नहीं है तो लिखो कि I still feel the lack. अगर हेल्थ है तो हेल्थ में अगर आपकी हेल्थ बहुत अच्छी है तो राइट डाउन. इफ यू स्टिल हैव कि हाँ मेरा हेल्थ अच्छा नहीं है, आई स्टिल हैव पेन हियर एंड देयर, मेरी बॉडी में वीकनेस है, ये है वो है, जो भी है हेल्थ ब्रेकडाउन, यू राइट डाउन दैट. ओके, तो हर एक एरिया लिख लो. मनी, मनी, हेल्थ, हैप्पीनेस, करियर। आपका करियर कैसा चल रहा है इफ यू वर्किंग? अगर नहीं है तो कोई नहीं, उसको छोड़ दो। अगर आप होम मेकर हो तो भी आप बोल सकते हो कि मेरा घर कैसे चल रहा है, मैं मेरे घर के काम पूरे कर पाती हूँ क्या, राइट? मेरे घर में मैं पूरे तरीके से बजट बना पाती हूँ क्या, अच्छी तरीके से खाना बना पाती हूँ क्या, साफ सफाई रख पाती हूँ क्या, क्या मुझे मन नहीं होता है करने का? सो हेल्थ, मनी, हेल्थ, हैप्पीनेस, करियर, होम एंड रिलेशनशिप। रिलेशनशिप्स में देखो आपके कौन कौन से रिलेशनशिप बहुत अच्छे चल रहे हैं और कौन कौन से रिलेशनशिप में प्रॉब्लम्स है। मे बी इट कैन बी योर मदर, इट कैन बी योर फादर, इट कैन बी योर हस्बैंड, इट कैन बी योर वाइफ। बच्चों के साथ में रिलेशनशिप अच्छा नहीं है, बॉस के साथ में रिलेशनशिप अच्छा नहीं है, या कलीग्स के साथ में मेरा रिलेशनशिप अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, तो आपको खुद ही समझ में आ जाएगा कि उस एरिया में डार्कनेस है आपके। दोज आर योर डार्क एरियाज इन योर लाइफ वेयर यू नीड टू वर्क। किसी के साथ में भी आपके रिलेशनशिप कैसे है, राइट डाउन दैट। The areas of your life that are abundant and wonderful are where you have used gratitude and are experiencing the magic as a result. And any areas that are not abundant and wonderful are due to the lack of gratitude. Understand this. जिस भी एरिया में आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, यार मेरी फैमिली लाइफ बहुत अच्छी है, यार मेरा करियर बहुत अच्छा है, दैट मीन्स वहां पे आपने कंप्लेन ज्यादा नहीं की है उस बारे में। यू हैव फेल्ट ग्रैटिट्यूड कि यार मेरे पास जॉब तो है, मेरे पास पैसा तो आता है, हर महीने सैलरी तो आती है, तो दैट मीन्स दैट एरिया इज वर्किंग गुड बिकॉज यू हैव बीन ग्रेटफुल, वहां पे आपने कंप्लेन नहीं की है। बट अगर आपका कोई एरिया एरिया है, जैसे हेल्थ में बोलूं, अगर आपकी हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं है तो आप देखो आपने कहाँ पे उसको क्या बोला है। देखो अगर आपका करियर अच्छा नहीं है तो आपने देखो कहाँ पे कंप्लेन की है, यार मेरा तो बॉस अच्छा नहीं है, मेरी तो जॉब अच्छी नहीं है, मुझे तो इतना टाइम काम करना पड़ता है यार, दे मेक मी स्लॉग, दे मेक मी डू दिस, दे मेक मी डू दैट, एंड दे डोंट पे मी वेल। आपने अगर ये सब कंप्लेन्स की है, दैट मीन्स दैट एरिया इज लैकिंग ग्रेटिट्यूड एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू आर सीइंग दैट लैक, that is why you are seeing that lack. Okay, so this is how she's very easily she's saying, look at it. So it's a simple fact. So when you are not grateful, you cannot receive more in return. You have stopped the magic from continuing in your life. When you are not grateful, you stop the flow of better health, better relationships, okay, more joy, more money, and the advancement of your job, career, or business. To receive, you have to give. It's the law. Very important thing. To receive, you have to give. Please write it down in the bold letters so that it gives you a reminder. To receive, you have to give. क्या देने के लिए तैयार हो? अपने आप को पूछो आज, मैं क्या यूनिवर्स को देने के लिए तैयार हूं, मैं भगवान को क्या देने के लिए तैयार हूं। ऐसे नहीं, भगवान तू मेरा ये काम कर दे, मैं आधा किलो पेड़े लेके आऊंगी। नहीं, भगवान भूखा नहीं बैठा है पेड़े के लिए। He wants your love. He wants your love. He wants your attention. तो आप देखो, he wants he wants your gratitude. So she's saying to receive, you have to give. It's a law. Gratitude is giving thanks. And without it, you cut yourself from the magic and from receiving everything you want in your life. The bottom line of ungratefulness is that when you are not grateful, we are taking things and our life for granted. We are taking things in our life for granted. देखो, हस्बैंड वाइफ का रिलेशनशिप चालू होता है, बहुत अच्छा 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 होता है, 1-2 साल, 3 साल, 4 साल, 5वें साल में डाउन। Why? We started taking each other for granted. इन लॉज के साथ में शुरू शुरू में रिलेशनशिप बहुत अच्छा था, फिर धीरे धीरे बहुत खराब होने लग गया। बिकॉज वाई? वी स्टार्टेड टेकिंग लाइफ फॉर ग्रांटेड, वी टुक देम फॉर ग्रांटेड, वी नेवर बिकेम थैंकफुल फॉर द स्मॉलेस्ट थिंग्स दे डिड। पेरेंट्स के साथ में रिलेशनशिप खराब हो गया, क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि उन्होंने कुछ बोल दिया मुझे, खत्म, वहीं पे मेरा रिलेशनशिप खत्म. So when we take things for granted, we are unintentionally taking from ourselves. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. Very important sentence. Like attracts like. Like attracts like. We will be taken from as a result. So if we take something for granted, we will be taken from as a result. Remember, whoever does not have gratitude, even when he or she has, will be taken from him or her. तो जो आपके पास करंटली है उसके लिए थैंक यू हो जाओ, उसके लिए थैंकफुल हो जाओ, तो आप और चीजें अट्रैक्ट करना शुरू कर दोगे. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको सिर्फ थैंकफुल रहना है. Most certainly you have been grateful at various times in your life, but to see the magic and cause a radical change to your current circumstances, you have to practice gratitude and make it your new way of life. The magic formula. अब समझते हैं फॉर्मूला क्या है इसका अप्लाई करने का. Knowledge is a treasure, but practice is the key to it. मेरे सेशन में आ जाओ, रोज मैजिक बुक सुन लो, कुछ नहीं होगा. Knowledge is a treasure, but practice is the key to it. It is saying कि practice gratitude. Ibn Khaldun Al-Muqaddam is saying कि जब तक आप practice नहीं करोगे ना, आपको results नहीं मिलेंगे. Ancient myths and legends say that to bring forth magic, a person must first say the magic words. हमको स्कूल में भी बोलते थे ना, मैजिक वर्ड्स बोलो, प्लीज, थैंक यू, एक्सक्यूज मी, राइट. हमको ये सिखाया जाता था. सो ब्रिंगिंग फॉर्थ मैजिक from gratitude works in the same way. And first, you must say the magic words, thank you. I cannot begin to tell you how important the words thank you are for your life. बहुत important words है. To live in gratitude, to experience the magic in your life, thank you must become the two words you deliberately say and feel more than any other words. देखो, हम जो है ना, क्या है, सी वी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, मैंने कल एग्जांपल दिया था कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जब तक नहीं हो तो आप फैन, गीजर कुछ नहीं चला पाओगे, राइट. कुछ नहीं चला पाओगे. तो here the same thing she's saying that you must say and feel. Say कहां से बोलेंगे हम? Heart. And how do we feel? From our heart emotion, say we say from our brain. So your mind and your heart, दिल से भी और दिमाग से भी आपको ग्रेटफुल होना है. दिल एंड दिमाग आपका साथ में काम करना चाहिए, तब जाके आप ग्रैटिट्यूड को अपनी लाइफ में लेके आओगे. इट शुड नॉट जस्ट बी अरे मैंने थैंक यू तो बोल दिया था, अरे मैंने तो थैंक यू तो बोल दिया था पर मुझे तो रिजल्ट ही नहीं मिल रहा है. सो दे नीड टू बिकम योर आइडेंटिटी. शी इज सेइंग थैंक यू आपकी आइडेंटिटी बनना चाहिए. यस अश्विनी मैम.
If something is not going well, for example, in relationship or maybe at work with somebody, the things are not going well, they'll say how you say thank you to that person and bring that gratitude or say gratitude to that person, because it's a human tendency. When something goes wrong, either we will get that anger within us for that person, or we start cursing. So
Right.
keeping that in the mind, and how can we say thank you? Or we always feel, right, why should I say sorry when so many things have happened with me from that person, when I suffered so much from that person? Why should I say sorry? Why should I say thank you? I always don't understand how to say that gratitude to that person and make things fine.
Okay. अंडरस्टैंड. जब आपका मन में ये क्वेश्चन आता है कि व्हाई शुड आई से, ओके, कहां से आ रहा है ये क्वेश्चन?
From my heart.
Is it coming from your heart?
Or mind? Yeah, from mind.
It is coming from your ego part. It is coming from your ego part. Our heart and mind are not like that, but we have egos. Everyone has. You have, me has, everyone has. But remember, जब आप ऐसा बोलते हो कि why should I, खराबी किसको हो रही है? Who is the sufferer? वो बंदे ने तो बोल के हो गया है, आपको बुरा भी लग गया है, राइट? आपको बुरा भी लग गया है, बट हु इज सफरिंग मोर? यू योरसेल्फ आर सफरिंग मोर, राइट? तो जब तक आप उस चीज में से, सो दैट इज वेयर द थैंक यू कम्स. दैट इज वेयर द थैंक यू कम्स. दैट इज व्हाई शी इज सेइंग ना कि देखो, See, she says further in the chapter कि you are catching a burning coal in your hand. And when you catch a burning coal in your hand, किसका हाथ जलेगा? मेरा ही जलेगा ना, क्योंकि मैं लेके बैठी हूँ. सामने वाला पर्सन ने बोल के तो हट गया. He hurted me. He spoke in anger. He kept names to me. He fought with me. He did everything with me. My relationship with that person is not good. But understand, the moment you start becoming thankful, you will see you are releasing your negative energy. We have both. देखो, जब आप एक सेल डालते हो रिमोट में या किस में, उसमें 2 टाइप की एनर्जी होती है, राइट? आप कोई भी करंट की वायर देखते हो, करंट की वायर देखा है, 2 कलर की वायर होती है उसके अंदर. आप अगर वायर खोलते हो, there are 2 wires inside. Why there are 2 wires? One is positive, one is negative. And when they get together, they give you the current, right? So we carry both. In us, we have positive, we have negative. The front person, okay, is also having the positive and the negative. But remember, जब आप उस person को relationship से हट के देखते हो, when you see as a person, if you don't notice that person as in a relationship with you, if you just notice that person as that is an energy, वो भी energy है, मैं भी energy हूँ, सामने वाला बंदा भी एनर्जी है, मैं भी एनर्जी हूँ, मेरे अंदर भी पॉजिटिव है, मेरे अंदर भी नेगेटिव है, उसके अंदर भी पॉजिटिव है, उसके अंदर भी नेगेटिव है. कभी कभी मेरा नेगेटिव ज्यादा हावी हो जाता है मेरे पॉजिटिव पे, कभी कभी सामने वाले बंदे का ज्यादा नेगेटिव हावी हो जाता है पॉजिटिव पे. एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी सी इन आवर लाइफ्स. बट दैट डज नॉट मीन दैट द पर्सन इज बैड. द बिहेवियर इज बैड. द सिचुएशन वाज बैड. What we start doing is we start labeling people कि नहीं, ये बैड ही है, ये ऐसा ही है, इसको मैं कितना भी कर लूं, मैं कितना मैं सॉरी भी बोल दूं. ऐसा भी होता है ना कि हमको ऐसा लगता है, यार आज मैंने इसको सॉरी बोल दिया ना, ये कल फिर से मेरे को हर्ट करेगा या मेरे सिर पे चढ़ के बैठेगा फिर से. ये आता है ना हमारे मन में. We feel that.
It happens also, ma'am, even after saying sorry, or it's not about ego or something. I'm not a egoist person. I try to repair it. I try to go beyond my point, try to make it fine and all, but still I don't know what goes wrong. But I don't get the right response. Then at that level,
I am not able to hear you. Ashwini ma'am, I really can't hear you. Your video has got stuck from my side. I don't know. Able to hear you clearly. I cannot hear you. Kaji, you can hear?
of anger.
Ma'am,
I missed
ma'am,
Ashwini.
आपकी video. Yeah.
Your voice is breaking,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Ma'am, we
think
could
there is
hear.
some
I could
network.
hear Ashwini.
Acha, that means there is some problem at my end, because I could not hear her after, when she said that I do not get response. After that, I could not hear her anything because her video had got stuck. This side, because of the rains, the little network,
Okay.
it is coming every time it is coming that the network thing is low. So maybe
Yeah.
that is the issue. So basically, Ashwini ma'am, if you're not getting the response from that front person, the answer lies within you.
Ma'am, can I add to what Ashwini ma'am said, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, last week I had similar situation like Ashwini ma'am because of one person, like in a relationship, like not a relationship, like my reason. I had some pain. Okay. And then I was like in that anger for 2-3 days. I was trying to calm my mind, but still it wouldn't settle. It was rubbing in my heart. फिर मैंने every morning क्या सोचा, मैं gratitude लिखूंगी. Like something I should be gratitude in that person, right? 2 people, husband and wife के साथ. Then I wrote the gratitude. It was very hard, but still I got some points to write. And surprisingly, she called me 2 days back and everything was sorted. So Ashwini ma'am, it does work. It was like for me that gussa was so much because I was not able to get rid of that irritation, anger, everything was built up, right? I took a paper, but I burnt it also because I don't want anybody to see. I don't want anybody to see what I write. It's my thought, right? But I wrote, thank you, For
You will
whatever.
get, Ashwini ma'am, you will get the answers further in this book. You will really understand it very
Yeah.
deeply. कि how we can, have the life we want, and हमको वो चीज bother नहीं करेंगी. When you will come into gratitude practices, now you will really change yourself.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
if there is a time, shall I add one thing? My
Yeah,
experience.
please, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Yeah, she has been in mirror work, so she also knows what it is.
No, actually, recently, one of my close friend stopped talking to me properly and messaging, or she coming to my colleagues. Friend means colleague. She was a colleague, but she is in the other department, and she trying to give me hint that I am ignoring her through my another friend. I went. So why are you doing like this? So just understand my situation as well as how just you are taking the things very personal. Am I audible?
Yeah, we can hear you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are taking thing that personally. I'm not like that person. Once I will be the friends of anyone, I don't have the thing of leaving anyone, okay, and ignoring anyone. So why can't you? I patch up and I came that afterwards, and again she started repeating that same thing, but not directly to me, indirectly with the other colleague in mediator. Okay, so then I thought I just told to the universe by sitting like that. See, I didn't do any wrong. So I did the thing correctly. I am not ignoring anyone, but she is feeling like that. That is her problem. So I am right. So immediately what happened means I just normally I started talking to her, messaging her. I'm going for tea. Will you come? Will you join? You will come to meet me like that. So she got her that message, and she normally now she is calling me. Yeah, we'll go to the tea. You are coming to tea. Anything if she wants, she will call me and she will ask me now all these things. But I'm not carrying that. Or she told like that. So why should I? So the thing is, ignoring and believing ourselves is most important than thinking others. So he is not responding me. That is the thing. Even I advised Ashwini as well. She told me the problem. At that time, I advised the same thing. Just leave, ignore. You
Great.
just have the mindset that I done proper, correct way. So don't go for it. One or the other day, he will be trying to realize what he has done.
True.
Ashwini, ma'am, gratitude is one thing you can write. It really
Because
works. Don't even
see, when you blame others, it is not helping. But when you are grateful, you are releasing your negative energy to start getting the positive energy again from them.
Maria,
That's
ma'am,
how
can I add
gratitude
one thing?
works. When you'll start, when you'll start this journey further, this is तो अभी तो 2 दिन ही हुए हैं. You just start and you'll understand what it is. So, so here
Maria,
she's
ma'am, one more thing to add.
yes.
मैम अभी कैसे हो गया पता है लाइक वीकेंड में हम सफाई करते हैं राइट घर का सो अभी मैं ऐसे हो गई ओके समवन इरिटेटिंग इन माय हार्ट इफ नॉट आई विल राइट अ ग्रेटिट्यूड थिंग एंड वी डन इट्स लाइक क्लीनिंग माय हार्ट इट्स अ न्यू
एवरी डे जब जैसे हम नहाते हैं, धोते हैं, हम घर साफ करते हैं, घर का कूड़ा बाहर निकालते हैं, उसी तरह अपना मेंटल रोज क्लीन करना होता है. You have to clean your mind, you have to clean your heart every day. So here she's saying that to live in gratitude, to experience the magic in your life, thank you must become 2 words you deliberately say and feel more than any other words, and they need to become your identity. What do you mean by identity? आइडेंटिटी का मतलब होता है कि आपके अंदर यानी रोम रोम में आपके थैंक यू हो जाना चाहिए. शुक्र, थैंकफुल फॉर एवरीथिंग. Thank you is the bridge from where you are now to the life of your dreams. Who all have dream, right? We all have dreams. So thank you is the bridge from where you are now. That is why I said कि अभी आपका जो area work नहीं कर रहा है वो लिख लो, because then you will understand कि इसके बाद आप कहाँ तक पहुंच गए उस area में. So magic formula क्या है? Deliberately. See, she says deliberately think and say magic words thank you. बोलते रहो बिना मतलब के भी बोलते रहो थैंक यू. अगर नहीं भी फील होता है ना स्टार्टिंग में, अगर फीलिंग नहीं आती है, जस्ट से थैंक यू. दिल से बस थैंक यू यार, तूने मुझे इतना अच्छा खाना दिया, थैंक यू तुझे यूनिवर्स, तुमने मुझे इतना अच्छा घर दिया है, कपड़े पहनने के लिए दिया, किसी की शादी में गए, थैंक यू मुझे ये शादी अटेंड करने का मौका दिया, अच्छा खाना खाने को मिला शादी में, राइट? That way you have to be thankful for everything. And the more you deliberately think and say the magic words, thank you, the more gratitude you feel. And the more gratitude you deliberately think and feel, the more abundance you receive. Okay. So here, I will stop here because I just wanted you to, we will take this further tomorrow. Okay. So that we start practices also. So in your journal, we are going to write gratitude for parents. Okay, we are going to write gratitude for parents. अभी parents के लिए gratitude कैसे लिखेंगे? Parents के लिए gratitude कैसे लिखेंगे?
For all they gave us when we were growing up.
Yes. Yes.
For the good genes, basically. So we are not having any disease.
Right. See, you have to start writing for parents कि हमको बचपन से उन्होंने पहले पैदा किया, right? हमको, they brought us into this world. You have to forget all, when you have come into this journey, forget all the wrong things your parents have done with you. Maybe they have hurt you, they कुछ बोल दिया होगा गुस्से में, कुछ मार दिया होगा बचपन में, you know, forget all that thing. Now when you're starting this journey, you just have to think all the good things your parents did for you. सिर्फ उसी चीजों को याद करना है और उसके लिए थैंक यू बोलना है. So how do we start writing? Take your journals and start writing gratitude for parents. And जब हम लिखते हैं तो हम ऐसे शुरू करते हैं कि आई एम ट्रूली ग्रेटफुल. ओके, आगे आएगा आपको ये फॉर्मेट, बट आई एम स्टार्टिंग विथ पेरेंट्स का थिंग बिकॉज पेरेंट्स यू नो आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दे आर सोर्स एनर्जी. तो हम लिखेंगे आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू माई मम्मी. ओके, because Akshita ma'am, what you were saying? Because okay, तो आप
No,
सबसे पहले
no, nothing, ma'am. So you wanted to show his face to Ashwini.
okay. अच्छा, मासी को दिखाना.
I gave him some GAN, ma'am. I don't know whether how much he took, but I
Okay.
can see the result by showing his face. But yeah, I'm
Good.
happy.
Good. So I am grateful to my mummy because she brought me in this world. Okay. हम आज I'm giving you a format to understand. Okay. I am grateful. हम आपने लिखा to mummy because she brought me in this world. I am grateful to my mummy. आप जो भी बोलते हो, आप अम्मा बोलते हो, जो भी बोलते हो, you write that. Okay. You're writing about your own mother. So you're going to write about that. I'm grateful to my mummy. या माँ, जो भी आप लिखते हो, because you took the pain to deliver me. आपकी मम्मी ने आपको, आप पेन लिया आपको इस दुनिया में लाने के लिए, राइट? सो यू हैव टू बी थैंकफुल फॉर दैट. तो आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू माय मम्मी बिकॉज you fed me with your milk. एकदम छोटी छोटी जहां से हम पैदा हुए हैं ना, वहां से हमको थैंक यू स्टार्ट करना है. एंड विल गो वेरी डीपर एवरी डे. सो आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू, देखो मम्मी पापा का ग्रैटिट्यूड आप जितना रोज लिखोगे, that will bring abundance in your life. because they are source. I am grateful to my mummy because you gave me warmth when I cried. हमको रियलाइज नहीं होता है कि मम्मी पापा ने हमारे लिए कितना किया है. हम हमेशा बोलते थे अरे ये तो उनकी ड्यूटी है, ये तो उनका फर्ज है हमको बड़े करना. But there are some parents who leave their children on the road also. There are some parents who do not take care of their children also. So we are the luckier ones. So jitna aap thank you bologe, you will see that these things you will get the blessings through the gratitude, and also you will get the same things from your children. I am grateful to my mummy because you massaged me with oil when I cried with pain. देखो हमको तो बोलना भी नहीं आता था, पर हमारे मम्मी समझ जाती थी ना हमको कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या पेन हो रहा है. सेम वे विल राइट 5. आई एम जस्ट टुडे गिविंग यू ऑल द फॉर्मेट सो दैट यू कैन स्टार्ट राइटिंग ऑन योर ओन ऑल्सो. सिर्फ आज बता रही हूँ. another 2-3 minutes we will take and then we will wind up. Now we'll write for daddy. डैडी ने क्या किया, चलो कौन बताएगा. बचपन से डैडी क्या करते अपने लिए.
Took the burden.
हाँ.
Took the burden of growing us or spending money on us.
Yes, spending money on us. What else?
Securing us like a
सबसे
hero.
पहले तो जब आप मम्मी के पेट में थे, राइट,
Care.
पापा ने क्या किया होगा.
Care.
Taking care of mummy.
मम्मी का केयर लिया होगा, यानी आपका केयर हुआ, राइट. Then he might have taken her to the hospital for checkups when you were there, so that you are healthy or no, to check whether in her stomach you are healthy or no, growing well or no, right. Then when you are born, then हमको injections दिए जाते हैं, all immunizations happen, all vaccinations of 1 month का, after then 2 months का, then 3 months का, then 6 months का, then 1 year का. Then he might have taken mummy, to the doctor, injection दिलाने के लिए, right. पैसे दिए होंगे डॉक्टर को डिलीवरी के लिए. So all that we are going to write thank you for. So I am grateful to my daddy. जो भी आप बोलते हो, डैडी, अप्पा, जो भी, अब्बा, because you took mummy to the hospital for checkups to see that I am healthy. This is how you write gratitude, not only by just saying thank you. I am grateful. If I'm too fast, please let me know. I'm grateful to my daddy. आप जो भी लिखते हो, मैं डैडी बुलाती थी, आप देखो आप क्या लिख रहे हो. Because you spent money for the delivery so that I come into this world safely. Deep में जाओ and understand the feelings and feel that gratefulness to your parents. I am grateful to my daddy because you took me and Mummy for my vaccination. I am grateful to my daddy because हमको because क्यों लिखना है? Why you are grateful? You have to write the reason. I am grateful to my daddy because you bought the मालिश वाली और मसाज वाली for my massage to make my body strong. I am grateful to my daddy because you spent money to get Cerelac for me. हमको Cerelac पिलाया जाता था, हमको ग्राइप वाटर पिलाया जाता था when you were small, right? So just 5 I made you write today just to give you an example of how do we write gratitude for parents. This is how you should write gratitude for your parents. अब हमने तो सिर्फ इतना लिखा है, इसके बाद आप जैसे जैसे बड़े हुए 1 year के हुए, आपको सॉक्स बूटीज वो लाया होगा डैडी ने, राइट? आपने कुछ टॉय मांगा होगा तो टॉयज लाए, तो वी विल बी राइटिंग ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉर पेरेंट्स every day and take their blessings. Okay, keep your hand on your heart and just say thank you, Mommy Papa, for bringing me into this world. Thank you, Mommy Papa. Today I am what? Because of you. I saw this life because of you. Thank you for taking care of me when I was in the womb and giving me all the comfort and warmth when I came out into this world. Thank you for making me feel secure. And I was so happy in your hands. Thank you, Mommy Papa, for all that you have done. Dil se shukriya, Mommy Papa. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Feel as if your parents are right in front of you and you're talking to them, saying thank you for all the smallest things they have done for you. Thank you. Thank you, Mommy Papa. Thank you. This is how we need to take and do the practices. So I wanted you all to start with the parents because we write this in the morning also. So whenever you get time in the morning, if you can write at least 10 for mummy and 10 for papa, you can start writing in this format. If you're not able to do, then we will do in the class. Try to do it in the class at least for 10 to 15 minutes so that we come into the practices. Okay, so we wind up. So God bless you all for joining. Let's wind up. Thank you all for joining. God bless you all. Have a blissful night. Sleep peacefully and have a blessed night. Priyaji, have a good morning. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Arya.
Yeah, thank you, Taira. Thank you, Ramesh ji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ashwini ji. Thank you. God bless you all.